When the Eaton fire broke out, Rachel saw the flames almost immediately. She quickly grabbed her Hovelpool cobbler mix, Miss Bennet, and bolted to the door, not knowing that it would be the last night she'd ever spend in her home. Days later, she would return to find that everything was covered in toxic ash and soot, making the area uninhabitable. But even as her world turned upside down, Miss Bennet somehow adapted. Rachel reported to Petable that she was feeling much happier due to the unwavering love and support from Miss Bennet. So today I'm going to inform you on the potential pets have in helping us with our mental health as well as well-being. I will first begin by discussing the scientific research on this topic. Second, I will discuss how the pets can help us with stress and loneliness. And finally, I will discuss what kind of dogs can help us with mental illnesses. Many of you probably already know that pets can help us with mental health and well-being. But did you know there has been more growing scientific research to support this? For example, the Human-Animal Bond Research Institute is dedicated to this topic. Here's one point that came from this research. Many pets are dropping their just cute to hat title and slowly becoming more favorable to our mental health. For example, the Human-Animal Bond Research Institute is dedicated to this topic. According to a study done by the Human-Animal Bond Research Institute, 1 of 5 U.S. citizens said that they have had a pet recommendation from a doctor or therapist, as well as more notice from public areas as they are becoming pet-friendly. In fact, more than 68% of doctors in the U.S. Have pets themselves, and more than 97% of them said that they have had a positive impact on patients with emotional health issues. Pets can bring us a sense of, pets can help with stress and, pets can bring us a sense of warmth and belonging. Many of you were probably here through the COVID-19 pandemic, and the pandemic undoubtedly upraised the feeling of isolation and loneliness. But the truth is, isolation and loneliness was already a social issue before the pandemic started, and it still is today. According to a study done by newsandhealth.org, 1 of 5 U.S. citizens say that they feel a lack of deep understanding and connection within members of the community. Furthermore, over half of the respondents says that whenever they are feeling lonely, they turn towards their pets. Pets bring us not just unconditional love, but also a sense of warmth and belonging. Pets can help with stress and depression. Researchers have recently found that positive interactions with pets can actually decrease the amount of cortisol produced, which is the stress hormone, and instead it can increase the production of oxytocin, which is a feel-good chemical. And here's another piece of good news. Your pet is feeling these too. Pets can help people with mental health issues. Research has also recently found that pets can help people with long-term mental health issues, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. They found that when pets are paired with people with PTSD, the people actually showed better signs of improved sleep and even better connections within their family. So today I discussed newly updated scientific research on how pets impact our mental health. Second, I talked about how pets help us with stress and loneliness. And finally, I discussed how pets can help people with long-term mental health issues.